Hello everybody, welcome back, or maybe welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, I encourage you to subscribe to my corner of the internet. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and not just any unboxing, but the unboxing of the new Drip 2 collection of the Ivy Park Adidas collab. So I don't want to waste any time, let's just get right into it. So I was finally lucky enough to get my hands on some of the Ivy Park Adidas merch. Last time when they released, I wasn't able to get anything, but this time I signed up for the exclusive updates for when they release, and I also did it through the app, which was a few hours earlier than everybody in the website. I know personally that when I got mine, my mom still had 3 more hours left in her cart before she could buy anything. So I was a little early. It was pretty cool. It was my first time doing a release or something like that. So good experience, glad I got something, but let's just get into it. The first and the cheapest thing that I got was this bucket hat. So I've really been loving bucket hats these days. If you go to my Instagram, a lot of my posts I'm wearing a bucket hat, and I thought this is so cute. It was $40. I know, which is very steep, but I tried to tell myself I paid for 2 bucket hats because it's reversible. So I consider this, you know, 2 for 1, even though it was a little steep for a bucket hat, but it's so cute. It has a lot of Ivy Park detailing. Right up in here, you can see Ivy Park. Then in the back it has Adidas, and of course on the other side, Ivy Park and the infamous 3 stripes. So it's really cute. I love it so much. It fits pretty comfortably on my head. I got a small head, and it fits and it sits nice. I don't want to mess up my baby hair, so put it too low. But it's cute, very cute. 10 out of 10. So this is a pretty basic item, but I love it. I'll probably get a lot of use out of that. The next thing I got was from the Honey collection. I didn't get too many things out of this color. This is the only thing I got out of this color, but I got this corset top or body top. I forgot the official name that she titles it under, but this right here, I think this might be my favorite piece. I did try them on. I'll insert clips of that as well. This thing fits like a band-aid. First of all, it was $75. No, was it? It was $80 or $70. I'll have the prices on screen. I can't really remember off the top of my head. It was $80. I'll just tell you, the fit, the material. Let's start with the material. The material is like this stretchy, not quite bandex, but it's also not quite spandex, but it's also, it's not compression. I don't know. It's weird. It's thick. It's a thick material. Really good quality though. And you can see the 3 stripes on the sleeves, perhaps. And it's got this square neck, or a sweetheart, whatever you do. It's got a little cleavage, a lot of cleavage when I put it on. It's so cute. It fits like a band-aid. I almost had a little trouble squeezing myself in here. I got an extra small in all of the items, and if I had gotten a small, it would have been too big. But this extra small was still, you know, you're in there. You're strapped. You're in there. You are buckled up in this thing. It is so, it's tight. It's tight. But I still have movement, and I'm not restricted or anything. I can wiggle as I please, but I'm in there. It's like wearing a pair of Spanx, I guess you can compare it to. It's really good. 10 out of 10. I love this one. And so the next thing I got was the, these are the sweatpants. So I got them in, oh just kidding, it's the sweatshirt, but I did get sweatpants. This is the Azure colorway, light blue, super cute, got a minimal Ivy Park detailing on front. You can see that. I love the blue color. This was my favorite color wave out of all of them, so I had to get the sweatsuit in this one. It's nice and thick. This was $75. The top, I got an extra small, and this is unisex, so you have to keep in mind when you order these sizes, it's unisex, so it runs a little bit bigger than usual. Like, even though this is extra small, it still looks a little big on me, and when I tried it on, I just tucked it under my bra and my tank top and to crop it and make it look like it fit, so I didn't get it, you know, swallowed up in the garment. But it's really cute, it's super comfortable, and it has pockets. This is a front pocket. It's stitched down, I haven't unstitched it, but it's cute. Or is this a pocket? I think it's a pocket. Do we know? What is this? Okay, question marks on the pocket. It might be a pocket, but it's stitched. I don't know. We'll see. Either way, it's so cute. Super, super cute. Got the 3 stitching down here on the sleeve. Super nice fit, nice quality. It's not, if you have an Adidas sweatshirt, if you bought an Adidas sweatshirt before, you probably already know how this feels. It feels similar to all the other Adidas sweatshirts I have. But it's cute. And I love how she tied in that emerald color again into this blue theme. So cute. And then the last thing I got were the matching sweatpants. Now these have to be my second favorite item that I got. The sweatpants were $75 as well. These are the Azure colorway, and I love them so much. Extra small again, and they fit kind of baggy because I guess it's because they're unisex. But the sweatpants, they sit at my hips, but like the crotch is kind of low, but it's cute. It makes it look like oversized and cute. It's not ugly, but it's cute. And it has these pockets, and the pockets are deep. Well, not as deep, but they're deeper than most women's sweatpants, which is great because women never get good pockets in clothes, and it's so disheartening. And then not only do they have the typical pockets on the side, see, peep the 3 straps down here. These pockets also zip, FYI, so your stuff will really be secure if you want to go jog around and do some jumping jacks. But she also has this cute back pocket right here, and you can put some more goodies in here. And then the ivy part stitching, and then it has drawstring. So if it's a little tight or a little loose or a little too big, you can tighten it up through the drawstrings. And then all around the waistband it says Ivy Park. Ivy Park. Now I'll be honest, I like this. I wanted to get a sweatsuit since I was going to be spending the money anyways. So I went ahead and bought a sweatsuit to wear out, but I also really like this. As I looked at the pictures on the website, I liked how it had a lot of Ivy Park and the 3 stripes and the color scheme, so you know it's Ivy Park. That way, like, at least I spent my money. Y'all know what I spent it on, you know? I don't want anything where, just little things like that. I don't know. But yeah, that's all that I got. I didn't get too much stuff. This is all that I really wanted. I know when I got in line for the release, I was pretty excited to just be in the line since I didn't make it last time, that I put a lot of stuff in my cart, and then after looking at it, because I was in there an hour ahead of time before the cart opened. So as you were in the app, the cart would show you how much time is left until you can check out. And so I put all this stuff in there, and so I ended up taking a lot of things out because I was like, I really didn't want this. I just got excited and put that in there. And that's ultimately what I got. I'm really happy with my purchase. Super excited to wear these out and about for real. And yeah, I love it so much. If you got some Ivy Park, if you have any questions, comments. All in all, I will say I am very impressed with the collection. She's really done a good job with the whole athleisure market. Athleisure is really taking over. It's almost everywhere, especially in the street styles, if you follow those kind of blogs. But I think it's pretty cool. She mixed a lot of good pieces. The color waves were great, first of all. And she also mixed a lot of good silhouettes together, like with the bodysuits and the cat suits and crop tops and this little number right here. All of that is really cute, and it really mixes up fashion and functionality. You know, the sweatsuits and the sweatpants, you can really go out, you can work out, you can jog in them, or you can wear them to the mall if you want to, which is probably what I'll be doing. And then this little piece, I mean, you probably, well no, don't work out in this because your cleavage will fall out probably. But you could definitely wear it to the club or night on the town, which is super, super cute. I love this piece. But yeah, she did a lot of good things with that. And the little accessories, I like this bucket hat, I really do. Yeah, so it's really functional and it's really fashionable. You can be cute and you can have a purpose. Cute and purposeful. And also she even added more sizes this time. I think the sizes go up to 4X, I think. Yeah, she has a lot of sizes for plus size people, which I think is really cool, really inclusive. And it shows that she's listening to a lot of the feedback that people gave from the first drop, which is greatly appreciated. You know, some designers, they just throw it out there and hope you buy it and don't care what you think. Yeah, so I was really excited to actually be a part of this release, to buy something since I missed out last time. Last time was an interesting interesting experience because after I missed everything on sale on the website, I was like, okay, I'll just go get it in the store. And so I was still in DC at the time, and I would call myself going to the ADIDAS store. And I got on the bus and everything, and I took my roommates with me, and we got there and we found out there's not even a ADIDAS store in DC. So I don't know what I put in the GPS that actually gave us a route, and we were looking pretty dumb. But I'm happy to finally have something now, and I'm really excited, really like this. If you got any Ivy Park, or if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comment box below. We can start a little dialogue there. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.